Welcome to part 99 of Daily English. Today's situation. Everyday problems, emergency situations. Help. Example. Help. Someone, please help me. Call the police. Example. Call the police. There's been an accident. Call an ambulance. Example. Call an ambulance. Someone is hurt. I need help. Example. I need help right now. Are you okay? Example. Are you okay? Can you stand up? I'm injured. Example. I'm injured. My arm hurts. Stay calm. Example. Stay calm. Help is coming. The ambulance is on the way. Example. The ambulance is on the way. Please wait here. Everything will be okay. Example. Everything will be okay. You're safe now. Mini conversation. Anna, help. Someone fell down. Ben, stay calm. I'll call an ambulance. Anna, are you okay? Injured person, I'm injured. My leg hurts. Ben, the ambulance is on the way. Everything will be okay. Daily tip. In an emergency, speak clearly and stay as calm as possible. Ask for help immediately, tell people what happened, and follow the instructions of the police or medical staff. Quick and clear communication can save lives. Speaking challenge. Imagine you see someone injured in the street. Call for help, ask if they're okay, tell someone to call an ambulance, help the injured person stay calm, and describe the situation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 100. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.